Hey guys, I'm Chef Dells and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this delicious stir-fried Thai-inspired noodles with prawns and some nice chili oil. So guys, Thai food has a lot of fresh ingredients. I'll be using some lemongrass, some galangal, kaffir lime leaves and some spring onions as well. So guys, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel for more recipes every week. You can even follow me on Instagram at chef_dells. For now, let's move on with the recipe. So let's begin with making the chili oil. First heat about a cup of vegetable oil in a pan till smoking hot. Then turn off the heat. Add about a cup of ground up dry red chilies, a teaspoon of chopped garlic, a teaspoon of chopped ginger, some chopped spring onion greens, 2 pieces of star anise, 2 cloves, and mix it up. Then transfer this to a sealable glass jar and allow the ingredients to steep for at least 2 to 3 hours, or ideally overnight, before you use it. So we're going to use a mix of fresh vegetables and herbs. We have some coriander, pak choy, onions, bell peppers, basil leaves, some galangal or Thai ginger, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, garlic, and spring onions. Slice up the galangal or the Thai ginger. Slice up some lemongrass. Cut the lime leaves into thin strips. Slice up the garlic. Chop some spring onion greens. Slice the onions. Cut the bell peppers into some strips. And the pak choy into chunks. Moving on to cooking the noodles. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok or a pan. Add all the Thai herbs, which is some sliced garlic, some sliced galangal, the lemongrass, and the kaffir lime leaves. Saute this for about a minute or so. Add the sliced onions, the bell peppers, and cook them for about a minute. Then add the de-shelled and de-veined prawns and cook them for about 2 minutes. Add the pak choy and cook till it's a little soft. Add the noodles. Chop spring onion, some torn up basil leaves, some coriander leaves, 3 tablespoons of the chili oil. Season with some salt and pepper. Add a tablespoon of soya sauce and toss till it is nicely heated through. And the delicious flavor-packed stir-fry is ready. So guys, the detailed recipe is in the description below. Please do leave your queries in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, do subscribe for more easy recipes every week.